give you about apples. Delicious, aren't they? I love them. But before I cut these apples, watch this video about them. Apple.
Apples are not just fruits. They are also members of the rose family, along with pears, cherries, and strawberries. There are over 7,500 different types of apples in the world. That means you could eat a different kind of apple every day for over 20 years. Apples are rich in fiber, vitamin C, and various antioxidants. Apples float in water because they are 25% air. Wow!
Welcome back. Now let's cut the apples that are waiting on our table. But kids, be careful with knives, okay? Let's cut it, okay? First, we split it down the middle in half, like straight. And then we do the other side. And also, apples are hard to cut. And also, don't forget to take out the seeds. Now, let's cut on the other side. I like to do a big chunk like that. But in this video, I'm not gonna do it. Look at that, apple slices. Oh, I see a seed. Now we flip it, this one over, and then chop it. I love these apples. Let's go watch a recipe about apples. Let's go!
Hi, little chefs. Are you ready to whip up something fun and super yummy today? We're making apple nachos. That's right, nachos made with apples. It's quick, it's easy, and it's oh so delicious. Let's get started. First, grab 2 big apples. You can pick any kind, red, green, or yellow, whatever you like best. Now, before we do anything else, let's give them a nice wash. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Apples like to be squeaky clean, too. Next, we're going to slice our apples into thin, round circles or wedges. But wait, this part needs a grown-up helper. Carefully cut the apples and take out the seeds and core. You'll see, the slices look like little apple chips, perfect for our nachos. Now, it's time for the ooey-gooey part, drizzling the sauce. Scoop out a couple of spoonfuls of peanut butter or any spread you like, and warm it up in the microwave for just a few seconds. Now, watch the magic as we drizzle it all over the apple slices. If you want to make it extra sweet, you can add a little drizzle of honey. Super yummy! And now, for the best part, the toppings. This is where you can get really creative. Sprinkle on mini chocolate chips, crunchy granola, shredded coconut, raisins, or even some crushed nuts. Mix and match your favorites to make it look colorful and extra yummy. And now, your apple nachos are ready. Don't they look amazing? Crunchy, sweet, and so colorful. Now grab a plate, share them with your family or friends. You just made a healthy, fun snack all by yourself. Great job, little chefs. I can't wait to cook with you again next time. Bye-bye for now.
Hi guys! You might have seen this on our table. It's called apple nachos. I made my own. And also guys, you can put different toppings if you want to. I decided to put chocolate sauce. Chocolate sauce is my favorite. Let me take one with the raisin and pumpkin seed on top. Sometimes these can get a little messy, but I love it. tastes like chocolate, melon seeds, raisins, and apples at the same time. It's a healthier version of nachos. Okay, guys, let's go watch the apple song. Apple.
Apples, apples, red and green, the crunchiest snack you've ever seen. Take a big bite, juicy and sweet. They're the perfect treat for your hands and feet. Rare crunch, munch apples for lunch. Healthy and tasty with every crunch. Round and shiny, a snack so true. An apple a day is good for you. Apples help you jump and play. They keep your tummy happy all day. With vitamins and fiber, they're super cool. Take one in your bag for a snack at school. Yeah. Rare crunch, munch apples for lunch. Healthy and tasty with every crunch. Round and shiny, a snack so true. An apple a day is good for you. Help you jump and play. They keep your tummy happy all day. With vitamins and fiber, they're super cool. Take one in your bag for a snack at school. Yeah. Rare crunch, munch apples for lunch. Healthy and tasty with every crunch. Red, green, yellow, they're all the best. Apples beat the rest. Yes, yes, yes. Now grab an apple, give it a chew. It's the super snack that's good for you.
An apple a day is good for you. Apple a day is good for you. Oh, hi guys, you're about to have the kid carried away by a song. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the apple video, which is all about beautiful apples. Bye guys. See you in our episode. Bye.
Healthy and tasty with every crunch. Round and shiny, a snack so true. An apple a day is good for you. More apples help you jump and play. They keep your tummy